Hi, my name is Melanie. I'm from the Wando Mt Pleasant Library, and today I'm going to show you instructions for the friendship bracelet take and make that you picked up at the library. In the take and make you should have received some embroidery cotton, and you also will have instructions in there which will show you step by step how to make the bracelet, but we're going to show you step by step today. So the first thing that you need to do is secure all your strands with a simple knot at the top. And once you've done that and pulled it quite tight, you need to really secure it somehow so that you can do the knotting without the bracelet sliding all over the place. I use a clipboard and secure it under there. If you don't have a clipboard, you can use a safety pin and secure it to a piece of fabric or a bull clip to secure it to the surface, just to stop it from sliding around. And then the first thing you do is start with a simple braid at the top. And this is going to form the part of the bracelet that you use to tie it onto your wrist. So split your strands into 3 and just do a simple braid as you would braid somebody's hair. Okay, to about 1.5 inches or so. Like that. And then what you'll want to do is secure that braid with another simple knot to secure that braid. And just pull it tight. So there's the beginning of your friendship bracelet. Secure it again under here. And this is where we start to tie the little knots that make up your friendship braid pattern. We're doing a candy stripe pattern. So you separate the strands out a little, and then you start with the strand on the left side, and you go across with the second strand and make kind of like the shape of a 4. Tuck it under, and then we're going to pull that taut. So hold this second strand tight and pull this up, and you'll see that pull it quite tight, makes a tiny little knot. And we're going to do this twice on each strand. So again, shape of a 4, tuck it under, pull this one taut, and we have 2 knots. And then you just keep going across. So we'll move the blue one to the side. We're going to keep going across with this green cotton until we've covered all of these ones. So get the next one in line, which is the red. Move that out of the way. Make the shape of a 4. Tuck it under. And a knot. And again, twice on each one. Pull it taut, move that one to the side, and you can see very slowly that the pattern starts happening. So now we're going to do 2 on the purple. Oops, I'm sliding. Move that one aside. We have 2 more. The more you do it too, the quicker you get. Okay, so now the green has traveled all the way to the other side, and then you simply start with the next one in line. So the blue, and you're going to be starting to knot with the next one. Under, and it just slides in under there, the green knot. Oops. And now you just keep going with the colours, making that candy stripe pattern until you have about 3 inches or so left of the length of embroidery cotton that we started with. And once you get to 3 inches, you're going to be making another braid at the end to finish it off. So when you get to the end, you can see the candy stripe pattern there. When you get to the end, you make another knot, simple knot to secure the candy stripe pattern, another simple braid, and then another knot to finish it off. And you can just trim the ends so that they're nice and neat. And this braid is the part that you'll secure it to your wrist.